Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Tally Data Easy Guide. Start by defining the exact metrics you need and decide where those numbers live. Next, pick a simple collection method you can repeat reliably. Finally, commit to a cadence for checking results and adjusting the process so the data stays useful, and locate the best sources for your Tally data and confirm access rights early. Export sample records to ensure the fields you need are present and consistently formatted. If possible, automate pulls from APIs or scheduled exports to reduce manual work while keeping a manual fallback for anomalies. Clean your Tally data with consistent rules to keep it trustworthy and actionable. Normalize date and number formats, remove duplicates, and decide how to treat missing entries. Run quick validation checks against expected totals or benchmarks so problems are obvious and fixable before they affect decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.